In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Logitech, that is the M720, with your Mac computer, how to connect them using Bluetooth, but also how to customize all the customizable buttons. So let's get started right away. First step, okay, let's turn the mouse around. Make sure that it's turned on so that this switch is towards the right side. Make sure you have a battery. Obviously, you can connect the mouse using the USB dongle, but in this video, I'll go and show you how to connect it using Bluetooth. It's more practical, and most Mac computers don't have a USB type A port anyway. So let me close over here. The mouse is able to connect with 3 different devices. So over here you have device number 1, device number 2, and device number 3. So you can have it connected with your iPad, Mac, and even a PC. If you press this button right over here, you're gonna shuffle through the different devices. Let's say I want to pair this MacBook Air in slot number 1. Well, I'll press the button until 1 is highlighted, and then I will keep it pressed until the light flashes quickly. Okay, you see it's flashing very quick. It means that it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Set the mouse aside once you see this, and on your Mac you simply have to go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, then select System Settings. From here you're gonna go and select Bluetooth in the left side menu, and then you should select Nearby Devices, and your mouse will appear here. Simply click on Connect. If you see this window appearing, simply quit. And as you see, the mouse is now connected, and you also get the battery percentage left inside. Now, to customize the mouse, you can do it different ways. If you don't want to download any software, the most basic customization are available if you click the I button right over here beside your mouse, and then you select Mouse Settings. You'll be able to edit the tracking speed and other stuff like the double clicking speed and also the scrolling speed. Now, the mouse has customizable buttons, and if you want to change their function, you have to download the Logitech software. Let me show you how this is done. Alright, to download the Logitech software that will help us customize the mouse, you need to go on Google, and no matter if you're on a Mac or on a PC, it works the same exact way. Just follow these steps. You're gonna type over here Logi Option Plus. This is the software we need to get, and one of the first websites to be presented to you will be from the official Logitech website. Click on it and then select over here download, and usually it recognizes which computer you have. This is a Mac, so this is why it says Mac OS 13, but if you're on Windows it will simply say Windows whatever. So click there and download, then open the file you just downloaded. Once you see this display, simply click Install Option Plus. Then we need the app to access Bluetooth, so I'll press OK. Open Accessibility, and now simply allow by checking this small toggle over here and enter your password of your computer. If you're on a PC, you may not have to do this step. And then you should see over here accessibility permission successfully granted. Here you can select no thanks if you don't want to share your personal information, personal usage data with Logitech so they improve their product, or you can accept, it's up to you. And here you can click on skip on the top right corner, and you should see your mouse right over there. You see exactly the same model. You have to click on it, click skip, and here are all the buttons that you can customize on it. There's many of them. If you want to customize one, well, it's as simple as it is. Okay, simply click on the one you want to change, let's say this one. And on the right side, you can go through many different actions and many different things this button can do. So select another option. Now, the good thing about this software is that you can customize your mouse so that it acts differently depending on which app you're using. For example, if you go on the top right corner and you click on Add Application, you can choose a specific application where the mouse will behave differently on it. So, for example, let me get over here Google Chrome, all right? I'll select Google Chrome, press Confirm, Continue, and now if you take a look over here, Google Chrome is highlighted. So whatever I change now, whatever customizable button I change will only be available in Google Chrome. So let's say this button, I click on it, I can say that, I don't know, I want to open ChatGPT. Well, I'll click here, yes, enable. So this button only in Google Chrome will open ChatGPT. If I click these 4 dots, these are global settings, which means that these will work in all applications. But when I'm in Chrome, well, the buttons will change. And you can add many different apps and customize this the way you want. If you click the left side arrow over here, you also have more settings that you can change. Okay, and just so you know, in case you're having issues with your mouse and you want to factory reset it, well, you need to go into the settings, go down and select restore to default settings, and this will restore everything, and it will also delete all your customized buttons if you want to start fresh again. So this is about it. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.